So boom, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and there are lots of leaks which are available on internet for now. And if you want to know more about the Samsung S25 Edge, you are in the right place, so let's dive into it. So as you can see, Samsung is going to tease their smartphone which is Samsung S25 Edge on May 13th, I guess, at Unpacked event, and they are going to launch their device on 23rd of May in China and Korea, and the global launch as well as the launch in US will going to happen in 30 on May 30th. So talking about the pricing of the smartphone, the 256 GB variant is available for 90k, and the 512 GB variant is available around 98k, and it is leaks according to Indian pricing. So yeah, and they didn't event is 1 TB version, as well as there are no proper leaks about 1 TB version. I guess they are going to launch in only two variants, which is 256 as well as 512 GB variant. So another department is that we are going to talk about design. So talking about the Samsung S25 Edge, it is the slimmest phone where Samsung ever gonna produce, and similar to iPhone 17 Air. Talking about the thickness, it comes with 5.84 mm of thickness, which is pretty slim. I know they nowadays this 2025 is all about slimmer smartphone with bigger batteries and fast charging. Yeah, and talking about the colors of this smartphone, so Samsung have choose three color variants for this smartphone. One is titanium silver, as well as titanium jet black, as well as titanium ice blue. I know it is made up of titanium, I forgot to mention, and it feels more premium in hand, as well as it is pretty much durable compared to normal plastic or glass smartphone because of this titanium. So talking about the specs of this smartphone, it comes with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with 120 Hz, and it has Snapdragon Elite. It comes with Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which is a flagship processor, and which will provide you top-notch performance. Another major thing is that cameras. It comes with 200 megapixel of main camera. Either for ultra wide they will go with 50 MP, or they will stick with 12 MP ultra wide setup. Another major thing is that it comes with 12 MP front camera. I know they are capable of shooting 4K. There is no major issue in that. Another major thing is that battery. It comes with 3900 mAh of battery with 25 watts fast charging. I know it sounds pretty solid on paper. So the pre-booking for this device starts from 12 May to 20th May, and if you want a pre-reservation, it will start from 20 to 23rd May. And there is a major offer for LE customers, like Samsung might also offer. So Samsung might also offer double the storage for the LE customers. So that's it for this video. If you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe my channel. Take care.